It's raining. Thanks.
What would you say that we're doing today?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. You know, it's a beautiful day. But I just crack open a can of my favorite ginger ale, Seattle Wet.
What is Seattle Wet?
Because it's Canada Dry.
Oh!
Delicious.
Those are some good drips.
Wow, impeccable.
Don't.
Yeah, you're gonna hit my boat.
Safe.
I think it'll clear up.
Lunch. Lunch. I don't know what to say. Lunch?
Lunch.
I'm having 3 dips for lunch. Ow.
Oh. I personally don't really know the motive behind this. I'll seek help for him. Like a good partner, but we'll get him the help he needs.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Could you open the hatch?
Poor baby.
Oh, it's really cold actually.
Yeah, no shit. There he goes. How you doing?
It's really fun. There's a couple seals out there though, and I'm afraid they're gonna mistake me for one of their own and try to sleep with me.
Oh,
I'd be a freaking appealing seal. Look at this donk.
I know.
Here goes the big one. Rushwood soup.
Where's the bread?
Wow.
This is Anya's singer-songwriter debut.
I don't wanna be a milkmaid no more. Yeah, I wanna be a princess in a castle.
Well, that's the whole video right there. I don't need to edit or anything.
Yeah.